Hey guys, welcome to the Vibes. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that lies at the heart of India's governance and recruitment system. We are diving deep into the world of a Union Public Service Commission, better known as UPSC, the premier central recruitment agency of India. Stabilized on 1st October 1926 as a Public Service Commission, UPSC has come a long way and now holds a constitutional authority responsible for a recruitment for all Group A officers under the Government of India. But what exactly does UPSC do and why is it so significant? Well, UPSC has been entrusted with the crucial task of appointments and examination of Group A posts in central government establishment, including public sector undertakings and autonomous bodies. Its role is deeply rooted in Indian Constitution. Under part of the Constitution of India, titled Service under the Union and State, UPSC is empowered to guide the government on matters related to appointment, transfers, promotion and disciplinary action. It's like a guiding light that ensures fairness and meritocracy in the recruitment process. Although UPSC reports directly to the President, its recommendations serve as valuable advice to the government. These recommendations, while not binding, carry significant weight due to UPSC's autonomous and independent nature. At the helm of the prestigious institution is Dr. Manoj Soni, the chairman of UPSC. He leads a team of dedicated professionals who are committed to upholding the principles of fairness, transparency and excellence. Now let's travel back in time to the early 20th century to uncover the genesis of UPSC. In 1923, the British government appointed the Royal Commission on the Superior Civil Services in India. It was also known as Lee Commission. Now let's discuss what is Lee Commission and the catalyst for change. The Lee Commission, consisting of Indian and British members, presented a recommendation that would be shape the future of India's civil services. Responding to the Lee Commission's recommendation, the Public Service Commission was established on 1st October 1926 under the chairmanship of Sir Ross Barker. This marked the beginning of transformative journey. With India's independence in 1947, the Federal Public Service Commission transformed into the Union Public Service Commission, assuming a constitutional status on 26 January 1950, the day our nation's constitution came into effect. Today, UPSC stands tall as one of the pillars of India's democracy. It plays a vital role in upholding constitutional values and ensuring fair and merit-based recruitment. Nestled in the iconic Dholpur House in New Delhi, the UPSC operates through its well-stabilized secretariat, which is the backbone of its efficiency. Led by secretary and supported by additional secretaries, joint secretaries and other staff, the UPSC secretariat plays a pivotal role in the Commission's functioning, ensuring the smooth execution of its responsibilities. Let's take a closer look at the various divisions that make a UPSC secretariat. Now we have included a small activity inside our video. Now while we will explain about various divisions, there will be a question included and you have to answer that question into a comment box. If you find this video engaging, please let us know in our comment box, and if you want more informative contents like this, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for your time.